Hi, my name is Rotem. I'm an exercise physiologist and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. If you want to try to progress to running, you can start by doing it with the interval program. Now I'll start with walking after my warm-up, of course. I'm starting with walking for 2 minutes. Then I'll try to add running for it for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds is over, decrease the speed and go back to walking. Now after a while, you can do the running for 2 minutes and the walking for 30 seconds. And then gradually increase the time for the running and decrease the time for the walking until you are able to run for the whole time.